Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can add transactions in Everydollar. So if you're doing this on the website version, you want to start by clicking on the transactions option, and then on the blue circle with a white plus sign, okay, like this one, in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And if you're on the Everydollar mobile app, you want to tap on the white plus sign in the top right hand corner of the screen, okay? Then you want to choose expenses or income depending on what type of transaction you're actually adding. Then you want to come here and just fill in the date. So if you choose here, either it's expense or income, then of course, guys, you have to enter the amount. You have to fill in the date, and the merchant fields, okay, in the window that will actually pop up. Then you want to just click on add expense, or you can create another transaction as well and add expenses right there. You can do that the same way in the mobile app. Once you're done, you can just click on done, okay? All right, now guys, you just want to click and tap on choose budget items, slash budget items. What you want to do is, this is if you want to assign a budget item. If not, guys, you can do that later, or you can ignore that if you don't want to do it right now. But if you want, you can just select the appropriate budget item, then click on the blue track expense button or done. Okay, if you're in the mobile app, you want to just click on done. If you're on the website, you just want to click on the track expense button in the top right hand corner to basically save your transaction. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it does, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.